briefing is to come up with an identity for the upcoming agency, an agency with an insight and a proposition. The insight would be based on another two. The best transactions are those in which both parties win, and money is a pretty good art critic.
So the creative process we went through to get the idea was by having a discussion first about the advantages of the school and what we're doing and how businesses can benefit from that. And then we wrote down the insights that we got from our discussions. And then using those insights, we sort of brainstormed lots of names and words that could form our idea. Okay, so from these are the insights that we got from the discussion. That the family we're in, the environment that we're in is like a family because we're a small group, so there's lots of people to help each other and work together. We're learning in a unique way, so we should get unique ideas from this experience. But our work is what we're focusing on, not the profit. We're learning in a church, which is quite an unusual environment, and we've been handpicked from a big group of people, so we're of a high calibre, and we're different from other art schools with the way we learn. So this is our how we came up with our initial ideas. The insights in the middle, such as hand-picked students. From that, we just sort of wrote different words and ideas that we thought of from that, such as you hand-picked cherries, so we thought maybe cherry is a possibility. And then we thought of lines like cream of the crop and a piece of cake and things like that. And this is some of our initial ideas that we got from the insights. So we've got cherry, bank, which came from the insight of the fact that you don't have to pay, and free, which is also from that insight. And so our proposition is priceless, so we decided to focus on this to come up with our final ideas. And this is our brainstorming from that proposition. So we came up with the idea of bank, maybe, but spelling it with a C instead of K, and using the copyright sign as the symbol for C. Bill, barcode. We thought of maybe the idea of using a barcode which we could put on stickers and use as a guerrilla campaign to create awareness, and that you can scan with your iPhone and it'll take you to the website. And paper money also, maybe sort of go down the toy sort of route.
1.5 minutes.
And so this is our final name, Freak.
It was derived from Priceless. What we do, we're focusing on passion rather than money. Free represents freedom of creativity in our youth. The school is against the conventional ways of learning, so we're kind of like a freak in the system, a freak in the educational system. Another word is we're all kind of creative freaks, that's also where it came from. And the CC at the end, we're spelling it differently because that stands for Creative Commons, so we're sharing our ideas, we're not kind of keeping them tight and not letting anyone see them. The final concept, we were originally going to build a till out of wood and stuff, but then we found a till seller, managed to negotiate the price of the till down to quite low. Got 3 letters from a local antique shop which spell out the logo at the top there, Freak. That's it, yeah, these are some of the ideas of how to spell them and kind of how to design them.
And we were kind of going with the whole 3D logo, so we basically took what we got from both shops and combined them together to create quite an unusual 3D piece, which we then kind of used as a basis for our logo, which expanded into this on screen now, which is quite rustic illustration, which kind of goes with the theme of like a vintage till, as you were.
So here we've got the application of logo on letterheads, and we've got it on the envelope. So seeing how we might use it in the future, how it might look real, and yeah, and we've got the spread the word.
So to go back to the idea of the barcode, kind of had the same concept of having fake money. So we'll print the illustration of the logo into paper money, and then give them out. This is free. This is just like sharing with everybody.
And place them as if they were like a drop wallet, and people would always pick up a wallet and see what was inside. So that kind of carries on the whole exciting bit of money, but not being, and something worth more, which is our ideas.